What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to create crosswords on Canva into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to our Canva left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over apps. Into search, you're gonna type Activities Maker, just like this. Click into this first link. Change from word search to crossword. And you can use animals, countries, foods, colors, hobbies, or of course you can type wherever you wish, okay? I'm gonna use countries. You can give the country and a tip, okay? After this, you can generate multiple puzzles, up to you. Number of words per crossword, up to you as well. You can upload a file or enter manually. Then click on generate. They're gonna gives you the table and the result. You can fit both, and you can enter numbers. For example, United States is the number 1, so you can type 1 right here using the text field. 1, for example, home of several safaris, so Egypt. You can go right here, type 2, just like this, and you can keep doing the design that you wish. Remove the result and use this into your class, use this into with your kids to do some games, to sell books. All up to you. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.